In today's video I'm going to show you how to assemble a Bully Tools snow pusher. Something caught my eye with this Bully Tools is it's got a one-piece handle. Not all snow shovels on the market have a one-piece handle. Some of them actually have this two-piece handle, and this is metal, and look at the wiggle on that. Just not as secure as a one-piece fiberglass handle, so I really like that. You need to look for the two holes on the bottom of the handle like this. You're going to bring in the shovel side of things, and you're going to line up those holes with the holes here. Put this in. This could be in the back side, so line this up. You can push this through. Make sure they're lined up there, which they are. And we can just put the supplied Phillips screws in through here. And that's how to assemble a Bully Tools 24-inch snow pusher.